Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to switch the Break striker on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, you should see this option at the top left corner, Switch Break Striker. Select that, and then you should see a list of all the available strikers that you can choose from. So there's this one, and you can simply scroll down and find the one that you prefer. So let's say, for instance, if I want this one, I can simply select it and that will deploy that particular striker. So there's a brief animation that you'll see from here. And there you go. You'll have now successfully changed your Break striker on Mecha Break. Also, if you'd like to see more detail about her or more detail about this striker, you can simply select the same option, Switch Break Striker. And then on the right side, you should see a brief description of what she's all about. You can check the HP, you can check the energy, the armor, and the mobility, and all the other things that are currently available with that particular striker. So that's basically it on how to switch the Break striker on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.